Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 is generating significant anticipation within the drone community, promising substantial enhancements over its predecessor, the Avata 2. While DJI has yet to officially confirm the details, various leaks and industry insights provide a glimpse into what enthusiasts and professionals might expect from this upcoming FPV first-person view drone. Anticipated design and structural enhancements. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame compared to the Avata 2. This redesign may include a rear-position battery and larger camera unit, potentially improving balance and flight dynamics. Additionally, the drone is expected to adopt 4-blade propellers, a shift from the 3-blade configuration of its predecessor, which could enhance stability and maneuverability. Durability is another focal point, with speculation suggesting improved crash resistance and modular components, such as easily replaceable propeller guards. These features aim to simplify repairs and reduce downtime, catering to both novice pilots and seasoned professionals. Camera system upgrades. A significant upgrade is anticipated in the camera department. The Avata may be equipped with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a notable improvement over the 1/1.7-inch sensor in the Avata 2. This enhancement would offer superior image quality, especially in low-light conditions, and provide a broader dynamic range. Video capabilities are expected to include 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, facilitating ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log M color support is also rumored, granting creators greater flexibility in post-production color grading. A wider field of view, possibly up to 170 degrees, could further immerse FPV pilots in their flying experience. Advanced transmission and control systems. The Avata 3 is likely to feature an upgraded transmission system, potentially the OcuSync 5.0, surpassing the current O4 system. This advancement could offer more stable signals, extended range up to 15 kilometers in open areas, and higher quality live feeds to the goggles. Lower latency is also anticipated, which is crucial for FPV flying, particularly during high-speed maneuvers. Complementing the transmission system, DJI may introduce new goggles, possibly named Goggles 3 Pro, featuring enhanced screens, faster refresh rates, and improved ergonomics for prolonged use. An updated motion controller is also expected, potentially offering more customizable settings, improved grip, and built-in haptic feedback for a more tactile flying experience. Battery life and flight performance. Battery life has always been a critical aspect of FPV drones. The Avata 3 is rumored to offer a flight time of approximately 30 minutes, a notable increase from the Avata 2's 23-minute duration. This improvement could be attributed to a more efficient power system and a slightly lighter design. Furthermore, DJI might introduce a new intelligent battery that not only lasts longer but also charges faster and includes better protection against overheating. Such enhancements would provide users with more airtime and reduce the need for multiple battery swaps during shoots. Enhanced obstacle avoidance and safety features. Safety is paramount, especially for FPV drones that often navigate complex environments. The Avata 3 is expected to feature improved obstacle detection and avoidance systems, possibly incorporating 360-degree sensors. This comprehensive coverage would aid in collision avoidance from all directions, making flying safer for both beginners and professionals. Additionally, software features may see significant upgrades. An advanced return-to-home RTH function utilizing GPS and obstacle avoidance could ensure the drone returns safely, even in challenging conditions. The DJI Fly app might also be updated with new features specific to the Avata 3, including improved quick-shot modes for FPV, easier access to manual controls, and an enhanced video editor for on-the-go content creation. Pricing and release timeline. While DJI has not officially announced the Avata 3, industry insiders speculate a release in late 2025, aligning with DJI's typical product launch cycles. Pricing is expected to be slightly higher than the Avata 2 at launch. The full combo, including the drone, goggles, motion controller, and one battery, might start around $1,200. A standalone version of just the drone could be priced between $600 and $700, appealing to those who already own compatible accessories. DJI may also offer different bundles tailored for beginners and professionals, allowing users to select the package that best suits their flying style. Conclusion: the DJI Avata 3 is poised to be a significant leap forward in the FPV drone market, blending cinematic capabilities with user-friendly features. Its anticipated enhancements in design, camera quality, transmission systems, battery life, and safety features aim to cater to both seasoned professionals and newcomers to FPV flying. As we await official confirmation from DJI, the Avata 3 stands as one of the most eagerly anticipated drone releases in the near future. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Sony A7V and the evolving world of virtual reality.